Managing diabetes requires consistent effort throughout the day, but the habits you adopt at night are equally critical. Nighttime routines play a significant role in maintaining blood sugar levels, improving sleep quality, and preventing complications associated with diabetes. By prioritizing certain practices before bed, diabetics can ensure better control of their condition and overall health. Below, we dive into the top 5 nighttime habits diabetics should incorporate into their lives for lifelong wellness. 1. Monitor blood sugar levels before bed. One of the most important habits for diabetics is checking blood glucose levels before sleep. Overnight, blood sugar levels can fluctuate significantly due to a variety of factors, including meal timing, medication, and physical activity. Why it's important: prevents nocturnal hypoglycemia, low blood sugar during sleep, which can lead to symptoms like sweating, confusion, or even seizures. Ensures you're in a safe range, typically 90 to 150 milligrams per deciliter, before sleeping. Provides insight into how well your medications or evening meal are working. Tips for effective monitoring: use a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, or a glucometer for accurate readings. Keep a journal to track patterns over time. If your blood sugar is low, less than 90 milligrams per deciliter, consume a small snack like a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts to stabilize it. 2. Plan a balanced evening meal. What you eat at dinner has a direct impact on your blood sugar levels overnight. A poorly planned evening meal can lead to blood sugar spikes or crashes, disrupting sleep and overall health. Ideal dinner composition: lean protein, chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes to provide sustained energy and prevent sugar spikes. High fiber carbs, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or vegetables to slow sugar absorption. Healthy fats: olive oil, avocado, or nuts to improve satiety and regulate blood sugar levels. Foods to avoid: sugary desserts or refined carbs like white bread, which can cause blood sugar spikes. Heavy, greasy foods that may disrupt digestion and increase insulin resistance. Timing matters: eat dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to give your body enough time to process the meal and avoid late-night sugar spikes. 3. Incorporate gentle physical activity. Engaging in light physical activity after dinner can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve digestion. While intense workouts are best saved for earlier in the day, gentle activities can be highly beneficial at night. Recommended activities: a 10 to 15-minute walk. Walking after dinner aids digestion and lowers post-meal glucose levels. Yoga or stretching. Relaxing poses can help reduce stress and improve insulin sensitivity. Light household chores. Activities like folding laundry or tidying up can keep you moving without overexerting yourself. Avoid vigorous exercise within 1 to 2 hours of bedtime, as it may elevate your heart rate and make it harder to fall asleep. 4. Establish a relaxing sleep routine. Quality sleep is essential for diabetes management, as poor sleep can lead to insulin resistance, increased stress hormones, and higher blood sugar levels. Diabetics often face sleep challenges due to conditions like sleep apnea or nighttime hypoglycemia, making it even more important to prioritize a relaxing bedtime routine. Tips for better sleep: stick to a schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Create a calm environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Limit screen time. Avoid phones, tablets, and TVs at least an hour before bed to reduce exposure to blue light, which can interfere with melatonin production. Practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, or reading a calming book can help ease stress and promote sleep. Avoid caffeine or stimulants in the evening. Alcohol, as it can disrupt your sleep cycle and affect blood sugar levels. 5. Prepare for emergencies. Nighttime can be unpredictable, so it's crucial for diabetics to be prepared for any sudden changes in blood sugar levels. Having the right tools and snacks on hand can make all the difference in managing unexpected situations. Essentials to keep nearby: a glucose meter, to quickly check your blood sugar if you wake up feeling unwell. Fast-acting glucose, keep glucose tablets, a small bottle of juice, or hard candies near your bed to treat hypoglycemia. A logbook or app, to record any unusual readings or symptoms for your healthcare provider. Water. Staying hydrated helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevent dehydration, which can worsen symptoms. Inform your family. If you live with others, ensure they know how to recognize and respond to signs of low or high blood sugar during the night. Bonus tips for lifelong success: regular checkups. See your doctor or diabetes educator regularly to adjust your treatment plan as needed. Mind stress. Chronic stress can disrupt sleep and worsen diabetes. Consider therapy, hobbies, or mindfulness practices to manage it effectively. Stay educated. Diabetes management evolves, so stay informed about new research, tools, and strategies. Conclusion: by adopting these 5 nighttime habits, monitoring blood sugar, planning balanced meals, engaging in light physical activity, creating a relaxing sleep routine, and preparing for emergencies, diabetics can significantly improve their overall health and well-being. Consistency is key, as these habits can help stabilize blood sugar levels, enhance sleep quality, and prevent long-term complications. Remember, managing diabetes is a lifelong journey, but small, intentional actions each night can lead to profound, positive changes over time. Start incorporating these habits into your routine today for a healthier, more vibrant tomorrow.